Well, Doug, I'm driving down the street and I see one of these. I'm like, oh my God, that looks like an AMC Spirit. I don't know when I saw the last one of those, and it may have been, this is a 79, right?
That's correct.
It may have been 79, because you just don't see them anymore. And you've had this
Since brand new.
since brand new.
I ordered it from the factory.
Well, that actually in 79, that even was a bold move. AMC was, AMC? And you said, no, AMC. I want an AMC and I want this one.
Right.
So why? What's your AMC connection?
I started out with a 72 Gremlin
Okay.
that had a 304 in it.
Yeah.
Automatic. And then I bought a 1970 AMX.
Oh, that's a great car.
390, 3.25 horse, four-speed.
Yeah.
Well, one way or the other, I was the 11th owner.
Oh.
And
Oh.
I went through a divorce and I got rid of the car.
Uh-huh.
This come on the market and I thought, I like that. And I like AMCs. My dad had a Rambler that got me started.
Right. I always loved Ramblers. And this is sort of like a shrunken AMX, kinda.
This is sitting on a Gremlin frame.
Oh, okay.
It's still the unibody, but the frame is the same length as what a Gremlin was.
Well, now wait a second. The wheelbase, because there is no frame on
Right.
the unibody, but the
wheelbase is the same as the
that right?
Gremlin.
Because well, now that you say that, I can kind of see it. At first, it looks longer than a Gremlin, but it's really
It's because the roof's a little bit
okay.
down a little.
So, I mean, I'm astounded because isn't this all plastic?
This is metal.
Okay.
This is plastic to a point. I had to touch this up
Okay.
because this is all chrome and it pitted and
Right.
it's seen one winter. The winter I bought it is the only winter it's seen.
No since '79.
Correct.
Wow. And of course, we had the 5 mile-an-hour bumpers.
Yep.
By then, which stuck out another 6-8 inches, and the square headlights, very '79.
Yep.
Man, what's the color? I imagine if you ordered it, you ordered the color too.
Yeah, it's like a metallic blue. When I first got it, I'd set it under those lights to like balls and stuff,
Yeah.
and it turned. If it rained, you could see little purple marks in it.
Oh, really?
There was no clear coat on it.
So it's just
They never put a clear coat on back
right.
then.
Just a
So-
single stage. That's it.
Yep.
So it actually kind of looks like a typical aftermarket sunroof.
Yeah,
but-
because it's not painted to match the car.
Yeah.
They all came that way.
So I mean, that came from the factory like
Yes,
this?
sir.
Wow. Do you use it much?
No.
No.
Nope. I'm afraid that the rubber seal
yeah,
on it
yeah.
will go bad if I up and down and up and down.
Oh, so is it a pop out?
Oh yeah. If you look underneath, here,
Oh yeah.
these pop out of the clips.
Right. Yeah.
Open that up, then pop it out. Then there was a case it
And
went
you put
in.
it in the truck. Is that glass actually?
That's glass.
Because I saw a label in there like it's safety glass. Wow. And that's factory.
Yes, sir.
And was this the Spirit interior, or was this like a juiced up interior?
This is a standard for all of them.
Really? Man,
Yeah.
You're pretty sporty.
You can get a cloth seat
Yeah.
that came in the GTs or the AMX 79. But the vinyl, they've never been replaced.
So that's the original vinyl too.
Yep.
Man, I'm just astounded. Factory 4-speed.
Yep.
And how about those gauges? I don't recall those.
That was special order. I didn't want the plastic console that wrapped around the gauges and all the way back through with a artificial armrest on it.
Okay.
Even the shifter sat down in that. I didn't want that. So I ordered the gauges only.
What were they? I mean, were they for a Spirit, or were they?
No, they were for a Concord.
Oh, okay. Gosh, and I mean, of course, that's all plastic fake wood, but it looks great. I mean, I can't believe the condition is. How many miles?
56,000 original.
Man, that is just amazing. Headliner's great. I mean,
Well, the headliner has been replaced. The original one in there, Dennis.
they droop.
drooped.
Yeah. Well, these things rusted terribly, and,
yeah.
and that's why you never see them. And if you do, they're just a rusted out shell.
AMC, before a car left the factory, they undercoated it. All of them.
Yeah.
Well, this got 2 coats on.
Oh. Okay.
It's Z-barred also.
Oh, so this thing is kind of a plastic car almost underneath.
Just
right?
about.
And then you got the slats, both on the back window and the side windows. They look a little different.
Well, yeah, this is a regular AMC
Factory stuff.
factory.
These.
Yep. They're J.C. Whitney.
J.C. Whitney.
And
the good old days.
all they do is pop out. You pull the top out, pull it up, it comes out of the rubber.
Okay. And then were these factory wheels?
No, they're AMC wheels.
Yeah.
All right, with the slots
Right.
and the volcanoes on them.
I imagine you put the mud flaps on because
Yeah.
the way this dishes under, that's the other thing, was they were just always, sprayed with dirt. They're,
Well, you can
pitted.
see it's pitted back in here. The other
Yeah.
side's a little bit. And I just got tired of looking at it that way.
Put on the mud flaps. I like the side markers because that's an AMC logo in there, right?
Yeah. There's a guy out west that's reproducing these.
How many can he sell?
Oh, he's selling them.
Oh, no kidding.
Oh, yeah.
Well, AMC people I found are probably the most dedicated to their mark of anybody, of any owner. You guys are rabid.
Oh, yeah.
Hatchback,
Yeah.
and she opens up, and that's taking up an awful lot of room. Didn't these come with the Space Saver spare?
They did, and I still have it at the house. It's only about that big.
It's a smaller than that, I think. I mean, well, I guess it would be because of the wheel, but it's
Well,
like nothing.
Yeah, you can see, if I move this, you can see where it goes.
Uh-huh.
But,
It just bolts right in there, right? And takes
and
up
it only
very little
goes
space.
right here.
Right. And your taillights are in great shape. I
Yep.
just can't believe the
I changed-
condition of this car.
I change bulbs on it maybe every 15, 20 years if I have to.
Uh-huh.
But
Well, let's close this end up and go look at the other end. See that special order engine.
alrighty.
Yeah, Doug, let's have a look at it. Oh, it didn't even use a hood prop either. It had actual springs.
Yeah.
304, that fits in there kind of tight.
The biggest motor you could get in 79.
So they came, what did they come with?
4-cylinder and a 6-cylinder on the lot.
But you had to special order this.
Special order the 8
Now, have you had to redo, well, at 54,000, you probably haven't redone the engine or anything either.
once.
Oh, you did, eh?
Oh yeah, I had new gaskets put in it, and it sits for 6,
Well,
7
yeah,
months.
Yeah, that's
You know.
tough on them.
And I never get out and start it. I put a battery charger on it, trickle charger all winter long.
Right,
You know, the other guy said should start it every 2 weeks,
yeah.
but I took all the pollution stuff off of it.
I was going to say, where's all
It
the
has
smart
none of
stuff?
that.
Uh-huh. But this is the power
steering?
Okay.
Yep, you had to order that too.
No kidding.
And power brakes.
Well, and dual master cylinder. I think that was a law by then, but to get power, you had to order that, huh?
Uh-huh.
I mean, this is the most loaded up AMC Spirit I've ever seen in my life, and it's like the first one I've seen in decades. It's just amazing.
Thank you.
And when you're at a show, do people? I mean, do they not even know what it is?
There's a lot of people. We'll go to a show that young kids are judging.
Yeah.
Have not a clue what that is.
No idea what that is.
Not a clue.
Well, like I said in the beginning, when I was driving by, I went, "Oh my God, is that an AMC Spirit? I can't believe it!" And it was.
Yep.
Not only was it an AMC Spirit, it's the nicest one probably on the planet. Closer back up, Doug. This is just a great kind of a baby AMX. You know,
Yep.
It's kind of a baby AMX, and you ordered it special. You've had it since new.
Correct.
I love it. Thanks for bringing it out, Doug.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you.
Way cool car.
Thank you.